Hello everyone, it's Dianne at Minerva. I hope you're all doing really well this week wherever you are. And today I'm excited to introduce our new free sewing patterns, Minerva with McCall's. So this is a project that's been some time in the making, and it's a collaboration with Simplicity McCall's to create these patterns. They will all be available free of charge to you. All you have to do is sign up to our wonderful free Minerva community and also to the Minerva newsletter. So the files or the patterns are available in PDF, so you can do print at home, A4, or you can go for A0 copy shop files. So whichever your preference is for printing off your PDF patterns. Now these are all single view garments and there are 8 to choose from. They've all been named after Lancashire towns. So I'm going to jump straight in and I'm going to go through each one, put on screen the cover, the line drawing, and also the sizing information will be on screen as well. So you can take a closer look at that. I'll state what it is and then I'll show it as well. And wherever you see a W, that's because this particular size range has been created using our C-cup block for a fuller figure. So for example, if you see a 28W, that's what that means. So it's for a fuller cup there in that area. So I hope that's all clear, and I'm going to get straight on and share those all with you now, along with a little fabric pick for each one. So first up we have the Darwin tiered dress. So this is a lovely longer line dress. We have those beautiful tiers for detail, a nice simple top, and the neckline on this one is finished off with a bias binding. So I think this is a really good one for a beginner or a novice seamstress because there's not too much complication, no tricky fastenings, and the details are quite simple but really effective. This would be a beautiful one for the summer months. Now the sizing on this one is XS to 4X, so that is a 4 to 6 up to a 28W to 30W, as you can see from the sizing on the screen. And for this one I thought this Minerva exclusive with Terence Williams would work really well. I think this is a really fresh design and would work beautifully with the simple tiered dress. So this is a viscose chalet, but you could also go for a viscose blend, a cotton poplin, a cotton blend, or maybe a gingham. Now next up we have the Rosa blouse. So this one has some lovely details here. So we have this wide collar with a ruffle all the way around it. This kind of collar has been very much on trend this past season and the last season. We have a button down front, which is quite traditional, and then elastic at the cuffs, which is also a nice feature. Now I think this one is a lovely across the season piece, so you can make it in the lighter fabrics for the summer months and pair with your skirts, and then in the winter months you could pair it with trousers and maybe a cardigan over the top. So really versatile. Now sizing is 6 up to 30W. You can go for a viscose chalet, a viscose blend, a cotton poplin, or maybe a silky chamoose. So my pick for this one is this lovely cotton poplin by Keachy Bee Style. I love the colour and the print on this one, and I think it would work really well with the details on this particular blouse. For this next pattern we have a lovely beginner friendly blouse. So this one is the Gisburn blouse, and it has a lovely simple classic V-neck. And then there is that really easy to do pleat at the front. We have some simple gathers to the shoulder. And there is also a few pleats at the back yoke. Sizing is XS to 4X. So this is a 4 to 6 up to a 28W to 30W. Fabrics you could go for a viscose chalet, a crepe de chine, a double georgette, or maybe a silky chamoose. So my pick for this one is a double georgette crepe, and this particular design is called Sunprint Palms. Now I love this design. I've used this one before but in a different fabric composition, so I know it works really well as a smart look and also beautiful for the summer months, so why not give that one a try. If you enjoy a jumpsuit, then we have the Caton jumpsuit. So this one is a lovely relaxed slip-on jumpsuit. We have little shoulder straps, pockets and a nice wide comfy leg. So again, a nice simple design. Even if something like this feels a little bit out of your reach, I know that this is a really easy make. Sizing is XS to 4X. So again, 4 to 6 up to 28W to 30W. Why not go for a viscose jersey, a chamoose silky satin, a crepe back satin, or a viscose chalet. Now for this one, I think it would be lovely to try a silky chamoose in Spring Cascade. So I'm popping that on the screen right now, as you can see. I think that would work really well with the flowing nature of the jumpsuit. Now, a really useful pattern for the whole family is the Holmeswood shirt. So this one is a gender inclusive shirt. We have a collar, a button down front, pockets, and then we have cuffs with placket to the sleeve. So a little bit more complicated, this one, a few more details to get stuck into. So sizing on this one, S to XXL, and that is 34 to 36 and 50 to 52. So for this one, you could go for a cotton poplin, a cotton lawn, a viscose chalet, maybe a linen, and cotton blends. So my choice for this one is a linen. It's by Melissa Lowry and it's this Brissa floral. So I think that is a really lovely design. But do check out our exclusive range at Minerva. Lots of different designs and designers. You're bound to find something that you love. Now, something for a special occasion or a little bit more formal, we have the Edenfield dress. So this one has been designed for knit fabrics. So you could go for a viscose jersey, a sweater knit, or maybe a crush velvet. Sizing is 6 to 30W. We have some lovely features here. So we have the fit bodice, the flowing skirt, we have a split to the skirt, so it all makes it really good for a special occasion or an event that you have coming up, but while maintaining that feeling of comfort and ease of wearing. So again, I've gone for a Melissa Lowry design for this one, and it's this Festival de Flores. I think that one would work really well. Of course, you could choose solid designs for workwear or everyday wear, and then go for something a little more special for that upcoming event. Now, a really useful wardrobe staple is the Overton cardigan. So this is a simple edge-to-edge, oversized cardigan, really easy, also perfect for a beginner. Really easy construction on this one. Of course, it has been designed for sweater knits and stretch knits. So we're looking at sweatshirt, Ponte Roma, French terry, heavier jerseys. Sizing is 10 to 30W. You could try a Ponte Roma in this wonderful dashing dance. I've selected this one because it has the more neutral shades of the white and the grey. Make it easier to pair with your other items in your wardrobe. Of course, you could go for solids or maybe some more bolder, brighter colours for the summer months. Finally, we have the Caterall dress. So this one is an oversized sweater dress with a cowl neckline. So as you can see, again, a really simple design, easy to construct. It would be perfect for a beginner to try out. And because of the nature, it is really comfortable, great for around the house or the cooler autumn winter months, but you could dress it up with your fabric selections. Sizing is 4 up to 30W. Again, we do need sweater knits or stretch knits to construct this one. So a fleece, a French terry, a sweatshirt or a sweater knit. So I thought a cotton sweatshirt fabric would work really well with this one, and this one is Sankiki Spirit, what I'm placing on the screen right now, and I think that's a really subtle look that would go really well with leggings and tights and boots for the autumn winter months. Well, I hope you've enjoyed having a look through that selection. Remember, these are all completely free on our website. You just need to sign up to the Minerva online community and also sign up to the newsletter. Then you'll be able to download them, all 8 of them, to your home or send them off to print shop and get them printed out that way. So I really look forward to seeing what you've all been up to. So when you do make these, please share with our wonderful community. Remember to include any photographs with your comments because we'd love to see all the different styles and fabrics made up. Now don't forget, if you take a look at the Minerva Craft Club, you can also get 10% off all your orders for a whole year. So when you're ordering your fabric, you'll get 10% off when you join and throughout the year. So another great deal. I hope to be back soon with more sewing inspiration for you, but thank you so much for watching today. Bye for now.